Hi, I'm Stephanie Banks, Professional Intuitive Channel. And if you're anything like me, you have noticed that it is getting awfully loud out there in the outer world. And that means it can be even harder for us to hear that softer, more subtle voice of our intuition, of our inner voice of wisdom. And yet it's always there, and we always have it. It doesn't go anywhere. It just sometimes gets drowned out by worries, by fears, by the news, by anything that competes with its soft, subtle presence. So I have created for you a very quick, intensive workshop to develop your intuition, to come back to the place of trusting yourself and that soft, subtle voice of wisdom that you have within you, so that you can continue on in your journey with greater clarity, with more confidence, with more depth of understanding and connection, and trust in yourself. It is a 3-hour intensive. I call it my intuitive intensive. It is level 1, which means that everybody is welcome. Whether you feel new to intuitive work, whether you can define your intuition, or whether you don't feel like you are connected to it at all, this workshop is for you, as well as for those that are more practiced and more trusting and more understanding of their intuitive skills. You will experience techniques and practices and strategies that I use as a professional intuitive channel that support me in my work in gaining clarity and gaining access to divine energy and wisdom that exists within each of us. What I do is unique, but who I am is not. I'm just a soul here having a journey just like you, and we are learning and navigating and finding our way together. So join me for the Intuitive Intensive, level 1. See, my dog agrees. And I look forward to sharing with you, growing with you, elevating with you, and having you leave feeling more not only uplifted and connected to community, but also trusting of that inner voice and being able to discern it over all the other noise.